Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you live from my home office here in Texas. And today we're going to be taking a look at Graze snack box. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so welcome back, and thankfully today is actually a different subscription box because we get to take a look at different snacks. So I actually was taking a look. A lot of the subscription boxes that I unbox on this channel have to do with beauty, fashion, or lifestyle. So I wanted to look at something different. This box was offered to me as a free box, and I'll put their information below. This was a free snack box that was offered to me by Influencer, and I'll put the details for Influencer if you guys ever want to check out different products. Sometimes they'll email you different offers or free products. You can definitely check that out. I'll put their link below, but you guys get the opportunity to check out the free snack box yourself. But this is my very first box, so I went to do the sampling for you guys. Thankfully I didn't eat lunch, so we are definitely gonna eat whatever's in, not everything, but we're gonna definitely taste everything that's in this box. But what's cool about this snack box is all of these are healthy products, and they offer you your first box for free. So I will put that link below so that you guys can get your first box too. But this is a monthly subscription box to send you. They send you snacks, and I believe the monthly subscription, I believe it's 8 different snacks, and I think that's $13.99. So if you're into healthy snacks like I am, this is definitely one that you want to take a look at. So this is what the box looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. So that is super cool. And I dropped something, so let's get that back. So that is super nice, and you get, with your first box, you get 4 different snacks for free. So that is it says, looking for delicious, nutritious snacks for busy days? Welcome to Graze, where I'm reimagining the way you snack with over 100 Graze ideas you can feel good about. This is similar to like a beauty box because they had you answer all these questions of different, so if you're kind of concerned on what if they send me something nasty, they actually go through different, like a survey quiz of snacks or tastes that you would like, that sounds good, that you wouldn't like. So when I started putting, I forgot what, I think it was like lemon or something. I wasn't too keen on lemon. So anytime there were snacks that had to do with lemon, once I started saying I didn't like it, they automatically blacked those out or fogged those out for me on my profile. So it went through different variations of different tastes that they had, and they came up with these. So as you can see here, this is jelly donut. Who wouldn't like that? This one is protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks, and this is a dipper. And this one is a peanut butter and jelly. This is salted with raspberry strings, and this one is a fantastic forest fruit. So let's see here. Just trying to see what's in here. So this just gives you different descriptions. 4 reasons why you'll love grazing. So it says snacking heroes, flavor matchmaking, which is true. Like I said, they go through different variations to see what you would like. Infinite invention, nation of grazers. And this is basically, says give us your verdict, earn rewards, check out our blog. So that's that. And what is this? Oh, it gives you the nutritional facts of your first snack box, and it shows you how you can earn rewards. So it says you can gift your friends a box, $1 off your next box, and your first and your 5th box is free. So again, I'll put their details down below so that you guys can check it out for free. It was totally free, so I dug that. So let's take a look at, and this is actually a cool package. It has like a background to it too, but I'm gonna taste these before anyone in my house tastes them, because this is definitely gonna be gone in a sec. So I'm gonna taste the jelly donut. Jelly donut, this one has raspberry strings, vanilla, cookie drops, raspberry, cranberry, and almonds. So definitely, I can dig it. So let me take a look. I guess it's the raspberry string. And that's really good. And that must be the almond. Oh no, that was cookie drops. Okay. So that one's good. I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't want to be eating on video, but that's what this one is about. And this one is peanut butter and jelly. So this one is salted peanuts, raspberries, strings, vanilla fudge. So let us take a look and see what this one. I'm assuming this is probably peanut butter. That one is really good. This one has 7 grams of protein. Let me see if this one says anything. It doesn't. Okay. And then this one, I'm not gonna open it up because I'm sure somebody can dip into this one. But this one has 5 grams of protein. It's only 130 calories. So this is actually a good snack for, like, if you're at work and you're hungry and you know how you get hungry during that afternoon, when it's like after lunch and ready to go to work after work. Even though I don't work, but I work from home, so I don't really have that problem. But if you're working a full-time job and you know how, I was there, 5 o'clock is not soon, but your lunch is totally gone. So like by 2, 3 o'clock, you kind of get that second hunger and you're like, seriously, I just ate lunch. So this one would be good. So that's why I'm not gonna open this one, because this one has protein, peanut butter, and pretzel sticks. That's what that one looks like. And it's only 130 calories, so that one is super fresh. And then this one is Fantastic Forest Fruits. This one has blueberries, lagon berries, soft apple pieces, and cherry raisins. This one is only 80 calories, so that is really good. And let me see if I can dive into this one. I'm telling you, this one's gonna be gone in a day. I'm telling you. Just the raisins it must have been. So this one, I actually want to taste the apple chips. Let me see. I'm assuming that's the apple chip or soft apple pieces. And that one's really good. So, and it was really good, sorry. So I would definitely, if I were you guys, I would definitely check this snack box out. I mean, it was free, so there's no harm in checking out something for free. I would definitely recommend this if you're kind of curious. I know sometimes it's hard with food boxes or food subscriptions because you really don't know what you're gonna get. But I have to say that they did an awesome job because they go through rigorous profiles as far as what snacks you like and what snacks you don't, what taste you like, what taste you don't. So they definitely gave me snacks that I would dive deep into every month. You can actually get this bi-weekly, you can get this every month. So think about it, that would last, if you got 8 in a box, that would last you a long time. If you got that bi-weekly, that would last you a very long time. So I would definitely, even if you just go for the free box, I would definitely go for it. And I'll put their link below. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this was a very quick video, but I definitely would recommend Graze because even if you just get the free box, it's definitely worth it. So that being said, if you guys like videos like this, have you guys ever tasted Graze? Because I'm curious as to if you guys are if you have a subscription box with them. If you like it, what taste have you liked? Because maybe I'll check those out too. So definitely comment below. And if you dig videos like this, definitely like and subscribe because we have so much more in store for you guys. So with that being said, see you guys at the top and on the next video.